What's going on, Meta fam? We got breaking news, baby! That's right, I'm so excited for this video, boy. Let's get to it. Mr. Mark Basile has got a verdict in from the judge. Now, let's get into this official document here from the judge. He says, game on, MMTLP. Let's get to it here. Let's zoom in and take a look at it here. Here you can see Justice here, Honorable Sabrina Kraus. Says here the Supreme Court petitioner is David, which is who Mark's representing, and the respondent is Finra. Here you can see, after reading and filing the annexed verified petition dated April 26, 2023, and the exhibits annexed thereto, the affirmation of Mark R. Basile, Esquire, dated April 26, 2023, and the memorandum of law dated April 26, 2023, together with all proceedings heretofore had Aaron let the respondent, the Finra, to or their authorities show case before Honorable Sabrina Kraus. The Justice of this court, Part 57, Room 574 of New York Courthouse, New York, New York. And they did put 2022 there. That was a clerical error, but Mark said that's no big deal. Here it says May the 30th in the forenoon of that day. Thereafter, here why an order should not be made. Pursuant, compelling respondent to turn over Bluesheets relating to mmat and MMTLP securities. Let's go to the other part here. So that's right, guys. The Bluesheets, if this gets approved, now Finra, we're going to talk about, let's cover this article and let's get back to it. Directing respondents proceed relating to the mmat, MMTLP securities and described herein. Granting such other further relief the court deems just and proper. Sufficient cause being alleged, therefore, it's ordered together papers upon which is based by overnight mail on or before May 5th, 2023, shall be deemed good and sufficient to service hereof. And here it is, Honorable Sabrina Kraus, and it gives the index number here. Opposition, if any, to be served and filed by May 19, 2023. Reply, if any, by May 26, 2023. This is beautiful. Now, Tony Market Moves here has an excellent post of breaking down the dates of this here. So I'm sure Tony is going to have a video on this. So make sure you go subscribe to Tony at Market Moves, because here's a good breakdown of what's going to happen. So today, May 1st, judge issues orders. Finra to release the Bluesheets, preserve all evidence regarding MMTLP and mmat. So on May the 5th, Finra will be officially served a notice via the overnight mail. On May the 19th, the opposition, if any, to be served and filed written arguments. May 26th, last day for Mark to reply to Finra's opposition. May 30th, Finra to appear in court with oral arguments. Finra given a month to release the Bluesheets or provide an argument why they should not have released the Bluesheets. This is huge, guys. This is huge. Now, I did hop into Busy Band's Twitter space earlier, and I only had like 20 minutes on my break. And I did get to ask Mark a question, and Gandalf, Edward, he pretty much had my question, but I just want to touch base on it. And I was like, what is keeping Finra from kicking the can down the road? And I also asked about the current lawsuits out there with Rosa, Richard, Elaine. Would any of those lawsuits have anything to do with this? And he said, no, they wouldn't. This here is not like a suit in a sense. This is to release the Bluesheets. We're not suing for any kind of monetary value on this. We just want to get the Bluesheets. So that was my understanding of that. And could they kick the can down the road? It's going to look really bad, but I don't think they can. They have to give the judge a reason. It has to be a valid reason. And I did think Mark said, like, this is going to basically say, if they give it to us, great. We're going to get the information we want. And if they don't give it to us, they have to give us a valid reason. Now, I did say, Mark said in that call that it would have to be something like legally. And I forget the exact term he used, but it had to be something like very legal. All right, let's keep going here. Like I said, I'm bringing this to you real quick. Here we go. Ham Short Killer says, Bluesheets will expose all the scumbags and naked shorts. MMTLP will have to answer by end of the month. How big and who it is. It says, GTII, don't worry, Wes is on it, along with our rats. Here we got MMAT news, very good news. The judge realizes there's an issue and orders Finra to appear in Supreme Court. Finra either has to release the blue sheet data or explain why they can't release them. The truth will come out. So that is exactly what we want, guys. Why can't they release it? Here is the other person that works with Mr. Basile, almost there. And Mmtlp released the blue sheets. All right. Oh yeah, and we had John Berta here says, huge deal, great work, Mark. This will certainly turn up the heat, spread far and wide. And that already has 32,000 views on it, guys. John Berta's tweet right there, by the way. So yeah, John Berta's excited about it. We got Huckleberry here saying, we are watching history made. It is exciting and hard to fathom that how big this could be. If and when a judge rules to release the blue sheets, then it's major proof and validation for the retail traders in the naked short war. This is a win for all tickers currently being targeted by counterfeit share manipulators. This is a win for all retail traders. Guys, this is going to be huge. If this blue sheets get released, I can see all these heavily shorted stocks getting, probably a potential rise in price, maybe a little bit of a short squeeze action, because these other companies are going to do their best to get, Mark on board, get Wes on board, and petition to get out these blue sheets for these heavily shorted companies and hopefully get some people in jail on this. That's what we want. These people that has ruined the lives of 65,000, and that's just MMTLP investors. That's not including the other communities of other stocks that has had their lives ruined because their price has been drove down, and it's just sad. Junk Savvy saying breaking news. New York State Supreme Court judge orders Finra fraud to appear in court and argue why they refuse to release the blue sheets. 519 is the written argument due. 526 is the rebuttal. 530 is the oral arguments. And we are coming. That's right. All right, let's keep going here. I mean, you can see people was so excited. Busy Brands here said, judge ordered Finra to appear in court May 30th. Thank you. That's exactly what we want to see. Here we got the other part of MMAT news. Breaking, New York Supreme Judge signs and orders Finra to appear in court May 30th regarding the blue sheet data and naked shorting. All right. And right there it was. This here was the beginning of all this. And also, too, it looks like Patrick Byrne replied back to Syntax, and he says, we'll cover this in a future video, but he's basically saying he's going to have to get in here and do one of these spaces with apparently the MMTLP community. So, exciting times ahead, guys. Like I said, this is literally breaking news. I'm excited. Now, I was talking a little fast because I'm excited for this video. Wanted to get it out. Got off work. Got a quick shower and shave. Your boy looks smooth to get out this exciting news. So, hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash thumbs up. Drop a comment down below. Make sure you're subscribed to all the other YouTubers, because I'm sure Allie's going to have video on this. Tony Market Moves, Burr Lady, probably just John, all of us out here. Maybe Smokey even come back and get a video on this, because this is huge news. So, love and appreciate every single one of you guys. Peace.